Every ambitious AI journey hits a point where traditional cloud infrastructure and manual setups simply can't keep up. It's not a failure of your team. It's a signal of success and a sign that you're ready for an AI cloud. Crusoe Cloud is purpose-built for demanding AI workloads from the ground up. Engineered for speed, efficiency, and scale with the latest GPUs, optimized RDMA networking, and high-throughput storage, we clear the path for AI builders who want to innovate quickly. Whether you're training custom models or need to serve billions of tokens with ultra-low latency, we handle the infrastructure so you can focus on the weights. Now we're bringing performance together with control. Introducing Crusoe Command Center, a new unified operations platform designed to increase the resilience of your AI stack by automating orchestration, observability, and support from setup to scale. Streamline your MLOps pipelines. Rely on automatic remediation of common hardware failures and get deep observability into your cluster health. No more manual firefighting. Plus, get real-time notifications integrated into your team's workflow and build with you support from engineers who actually speak your language. Accelerate the AI lifecycle with Crusoe Cloud. What are you going to build today?